What's up, YouTube fam? Today I'm going to be showing you how to run your ski boat on a hose. Let's get right to it. So the first thing you're going to need to do is make sure you have the right adapter for your boat. This is the plunger that we use for ski boats. It's got a hookup for your hose right here. That's where the water comes out of. This is actually a retractable handle. Next, you want to grab your creeper. You want to come under the boat. And you want to find where your boat actually picks up the water. In this case, we're looking at this right here. Here's a different view of it from the other side. So you can see those slots right there. That's where it actually picks up the water. So I tried recording while I'm down there putting it on, the actual brass fitting, but it's really hard to do because it's in a tight spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a reference of what we do. So let's just say that your brass pickup is right here. What you're going to do is you're going to line it up, and then you're going to adjust this pole to the height. So with this maybe like style, this is where you turn on it and you adjust it. And to tighten it up, you just turn it to the right. That tightens up. So you want to adjust your fake leg to where it's just a little bit longer, where you have to go in kind of sideways, so that it actually is tight up against the boat. So right there, it's kind of loose. And then we're gonna move this towards the boat. Like that. You can see it. It's actually sucked up in there. It's pretty tight. Another thing you want to make sure is the hose side where the hole is, where the water comes out, is on the same side as the little slits on the pickup that I showed you. So you want to make sure it's pointing towards the pickup. When you turn on the water, make sure you turn it on real slowly. Don't just turn it all the way on. Give it a little bit of pressure. Also, make a note of how much water is coming out right now. Because when you turn on the boat, it should be less than what it is right now. It should be